What's up, y'all? How y'all doing? I'm Amaje.
I'm Deja.
And, you know, today we're doing a little seafood boil, a little mukbang. They got
That's
a little,
Kai.
got Kai right here.
With Alfredo.
It's my nephew. Got little Lay, our daughter right here. They crushing the Alfredo.
Lay. She
Saying
into
us.
it.
But yeah. Anyways, today is our first YouTube video ever. We literally just got the money up to go get the camera and everything. And you know, we've been wanting to do this for so long.
Yes.
But you know, the nerves of how much, you know, it's so much great talent on YouTube, like so much good content, so many things that people pull out that they put a lot of thought into, you know, and a lot of people write scripts, or you know, if we get to that, that's cool. But I didn't want to do scripts. I didn't really want to, you know, stick, you know, to certain criteria that we got to talk about during a video. I feel like we could actually, me and my girl, you know, we've been together for 3 years
Fiance.
now. My fiance, the mother of my child. I feel like we vibe enough that we don't really need that, you know, we could vibe out and talk about actual things, you know.
Yeah.
As long as we get comfortable in front of the camera, which I am super nervous right now, so my bad if I sound crazy. But yeah. This John.
So we just about to get into it and be talking.
I'm about to go get the bag.
Let's see. I made this, y'all.
Yeah, I was just about to tell them that you looked that John up. You like it?
It's okay.
You want me to put this sauce good? I was gonna put it right there, but
Is it hot? Alright, we can go like this. Let me see that bag. Thank you. You want to get one for you?
yeah, that was stupid.
So, we're going to be doing a lot of things. Doing mukbangs, pranks. What else?
Well, I feel super cliche saying it, but I'm an aspiring rapper. And also, I want to, like, you know, I'm about to create my own YouTube channel as well. I want to promote my rapping through YouTube. One of the soon later videos, I'll be, you know, showing y'all something just to, you know, show y'all where I'm at. Where the scissors at?
Where the knobs at?
Ain't no good.
Then, I just had them.
I know.
Look on the counter where the red bowl at. The red bowl. The red bowl over there. Look on that counter. That's going to be good.
Girl. So the video ain't gonna be too long, guys. You know, since it's our first video or whatever, we just trying to, you know, get a feel of everything.
I'm nervous.
Nervous as I don't know what. So, you know, it's just the first video, more to come. But, you know, it's gonna take time. And as long as we keep at it, you know, we should, you know, be alright. I just really don't, you know, I took pictures and everything growing up, but I did theater for like 2 years, but I think it's different. I never really been in front of the camera too much.
It's weird sitting in front of a camera just
Yeah.
talking.
Super.
With nobody right there. So.
Super weird. But that's something we really wanted to do. We really wanted to try. And this is us finally actually just pushing ourselves, because it's too many times in life where you just let stuff pass you by and you like, what if, you know, and I don't want to be like, what if we would have tried YouTube? What if we did do good? You know, what if we did get, you know, what if we did get, what am I trying to say? a lot of supporters, or you know, when we did get popular. I didn't want to be a what if guy. There's two types of pain in the world. The pain of discipline, or the pain of regret. And I do not want the pain of regret. To be sitting there like, dang man, we could have did that. Like, they hooked this joint up on her own. It tastes amazing.
Took forever.
Yeah, but it tastes really good. You know, so she gonna, you know, once we get a few supporters actually, 'cause, you know, we ain't got no, you know, fan base, supporter base yet. You know, once we get, you know, some supporters, then next time she's gonna record her cooking, you know, whatever what she does, and
Because I can throw down in the kitchen.
yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Go ahead and shout out the YouTuber that inspired this.
I think her name is Be Love.
Yeah, something.
Mm-hmm.
I love their videos.
I was watching her. And I said, I'm gonna make me a seafood bowl.
I like when they do the little taste challenges
Mm-hmm.
with all of them in there.
Mm-hmm.
I also like, what's the other YouTubers I like? The two girls, what's their name? The dark skinned girl.
Tay and Lou.
Tay and Lou, yo, they're
I love
hilarious.
Tay and Lou.
I like them. I really do. It's just like, I've always been, you know, I wanted to rap for a long time. And I got with Deja. And, you know, she always, I mean, this ain't YouTube or not, y'all. She gonna be pranking me for life. YouTube or not, I'm gonna be getting picked with for life. So, that's just what that is. We might as well, you know, make the most of it and show y'all. Because it be times where I just don't know if she telling the truth or she playing games. But she's really, y'all gonna see. Y'all gonna see. And I've never retaliated, ever. I really don't retaliate. I very rarely retaliate. But I gotta retaliate now, because I can't let y'all see me go down like that.
I got a lot of pranks in store, so.
I can't let y'all see me go down like that, man. So I'm gonna have to, I don't even know. I don't prank. So it's gonna be funny. We're gonna have to see what's up. That's another thing, like, just willing to, you know, it's
Step
something.
out your comfort zone.
Yeah, and go for something. You know, anybody that's, you know, this could help somebody, even if we suck right now. It could be some people that been wanting to do this for years. If I inspire that person, and even if this video sucks, I'll be okay. Just because you gotta go out there. You never know until you go out there or put yourself out there or see what if.
Can I see the scissors?
Yeah.
Thank you.
I'm scared to get one of them big boy. I ain't get one of them
I
big
ain't getting
boys
one
yet.
yet.
Is this yours?
Yeah.
You gonna get two of these, right? Or one?
That's mine. What are you doing? Both. You ate all of yours.
Oh, that's crazy.
You better get a big
Go to
boy.
the shirt. Go to the shirt.
It said, are we supposed to get two of you on one? You grab yours and put it over there. See? Trying to eat my crabs. Legs.
I don't really like crab. I don't really like crabs. I just like the legs. What's wrong?
She ready to get out.
You ready to get out? Yeah.
Both of them won as well.
Yeah.
But he's the oldest. He's 6 months. They're 6 months apart.
He gonna be 2 in June, right?
Yep. He gonna be 2 next
Next
month.
month. And she gonna be 2 in November. I'm 23. My girl just turned 23 on May 2nd. Happy late birthday.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
But my birthday is September. It's gonna be the Kobe year.
He getting old.
Man, after high school applies, so I don't even know.
I'm sorry, y'all. This is good.
Man, I'm about to try this. Ooh, this y'all hurt.
God bless you. Oh, we're gonna do vlogs.
Ooh.
We got some vlogs coming up for y'all as well.
Let me see some scissors when you done, man. We need some napkins. We have napkins.
What? You take her out. She want. Oh, you want your food? No.
She wanna get out.
Kai eating. Kai big boy. How long get back?
Come on.
Ball. Say ball. If y'all do like this video, comment below and tell us,
You know,
what y'all want to see.
yeah, and
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
and as well some constructive criticism. You know, this is like the first video. We ain't really do no test runs. We kind of just went straight through and was like, let's get it.
We learning.
But like I said, man, to all of y'all that, you know, feel like you can't do something, even if you out your element for a few. Cause watch us from a few months from now. Y'all gonna see. Once I can come behind the camera, we gonna get it. But just tell us what y'all wanna see. Any pointers, any suggestions. And I hope y'all like this. We're gonna get out y'all hair for now. This is just the first, you know, welcoming video. Just to talk about everything, basically. You got anything else you wanna say, Pooh?
Oh, not that I can think of right now.
Alright, well, we're gonna probably do another video in a day or two. Knowing
Thursday.
I might get pranked. I don't know what's gonna happen.
Oh yeah,
But-
we also gonna be doing skits because there's too many YouTubers out here faking pranks.
Oh, yeah.
And we ain't one of them, so we gonna tell y'all we doing a skit.
At the beginning of every video, if it's a skit, if it's not a real prank, you will know. And that's our word. If we can't think of no more pranks to be real, we just gonna stop pranking altogether. Cause I hate that. I hate the fake pranks. Like, it's...
Keep asking me the scissors.
It ain't cool. But, yeah, anyway, like, comment, subscribe.
Don't forget.
Day's Image, man. We coming for y'all. Nah, but thank you. And thank you for watching. And hopefully, you know, we'll watch more videos and you'll see more things that you like. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.